Hi, how you doing? I'm going to show you what we're doing with Bridge Cable on our daily worksheet. This is a normal daily worksheet. We put in the customer's name. We actually fill in the date. Total of techs would be 3. You name the techs, Ray, Steve, Ben. We always fill out point of contact. Usually fill out the customer's phone number, but since we're doing this video, we didn't do it. Type of project. In this case, it was a multi-day project. Access information. We always fill out what kind, if it's a key fob, a key, a card. Next would be like prints. If the prints are on site, yes or no. If we need more. Any updates? In this case, it was no updates. The good thing is location of materials. In this case, it was the IDF. We always put on there if it's locked or unlocked, and if there's a job box, and what materials were left behind. Description of the job, what we did that day. So this day we pulled the lines, we dropped them, we labeled everything, and we started the patch panel. Description, what needs to be done. 20 lines need to be labeled, and we have to search still. Rate the rating of the job, what's left. We're about a 4. We're pretty much done. List of anything we need. Just need end caps for 3 1/4 inch wire mold. Anything special? Not really. So that's our end of the day. And we always make sure that we always close up we take pictures, load them to the drive, check the blueprints, take pictures of everything we do in the IDF, MDF. If we did certs that day, make sure everything is closed. You always want to do a walkthrough after you get done. Make sure that all the ceiling tiles and there's no mess behind. So, thank you.